All right, all right, all right. How we all doing? Nine Robinson, what is going on, my friend? Jason P, great to see you in here. Bryce, great to see you in here, my friend. How y'all doing today? Y'all making some money? Per usual, you know the routine. If you're making some money today, I know we got a limited crowd right now. We'll get there though. But if you're making some money today, we'll keep it consistent. Give me some ones in the chat. If the market is neither red nor green for you, but we want to send this puppy north for you, give me some twos up in the chat. And if the market's red for you right now, you're bleeding, we got to plug that hole, stop the bleeding, and bring you back to life. Give me some threes up in the chat. NET. Okay. I'm going to do this first, just because I came in here with like a little agenda today, because I know plug earnings just came out last night. Turn on my volume now, I can't hear myself think. So I did this one for Plug, which was their last earnings. Let me go see if they've published their uh, new earnings. What up, Tappin' Exotics? Great to see you in the clubhouse not last night now, 2 nights ago, my friend. Hope you learned something about space. That was kind of a cluttered conversation, but we'll be doing that every week just on different topics. So if you're interested in learning some stuff or you got anything you want to add in there, that's what that's all for. Just learning something new every single week. Nine, making some money today. Let's go. All right, let me see if I can find this. Go. Hopefully that's going to send them the link. I'm going to send them the link really quick, and then we're going to get to it. And if there's no plug, I'll do NET for you. Yeah, it was a cluttered conversation. We were definitely getting into some evening festivities there. Um, but yeah, those are some of them are friends, some of them are randoms too, but mostly buddies of mine from entrepreneurship who I've started businesses with, buddies of mine from college. Uh, just some dope guys in there, so I'd love to see you back there next week. All right. Jay! Yay! How's it going, Jay? You making some money today, brother? Why are the reports not out? All right, there's their annual. Assets, operations, income. Okay, we can do it. Let's do this. I'm going to bring this over here just so y'all can keep following along with it and see the actual numbers. Let me know also if the music is too loud and y'all can't hear me. I could turn it down a little bit. Um, or give me a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me right now. So let's do this. This is going to be new territory for us with Plug. Be our first instance of having already done their most recent one, and then they got a new one. So I'm going to want to keep track of these. Plug. Plug Power Inc. Just know I'm getting all these numbers on the other screen as we go along. That way you guys can at least see these numbers. Ho, Connor McNerney, great to see you, my friend. Jay, it'll be okay. We're going to get through this, brother. Alright, y'all can hear me perfect. Alright, you all know the routine as well. If you haven't already, please, please, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Otherwise, we're going to be chilling with us 5 in the chat forever. Which, I love you 5. Don't get me wrong. But I know that it is more fun for all of us in here when we can get some more people in here. Oh, man. Okay. Look up plug. Oh, shoot. You know what? I need to plug in my laptop. See if I got a plug over here. Alright, we're going to do the intermission screen for a second. Hang on. Test this one out. Be right back. And we're back. You guys know the routine too. Rushing, trying to get through as much as I can here in the limited time we have. But we do not stream it. The feng shui is not right. We can't be a burner if we ain't burning. Boom. Let's burn. Okay. Thank you, Savvy. Great to see you, my friend. Amy Sanchez, great to see you as well. Welcome to my channel. I hope y'all enjoy your stay. Where did this go? I just had it open. Okay, there's plug. Now we want to get plug powers stock. I want their current price today. This is going to be current as of 2/26/2021. We got a current stock price, $48.79. Last close yesterday was $43.34. So we are up. They must have had a good earnings call. Market cap at this price is $24.54. It is that. So you can see what the rise in price does for their market cap. They don't have that big of a share pool, I don't think. Oops. All right. Let's dive into it. Now, if you're just joining now, I've got the same sheets that I usually analyze over here. I'm just doing it on this screen so that y'all can see it. Because when I was trying to do it split screen, it just, the screen's not big enough for y'all to see everything. So, you're going to get all the values. I'm just going to go decipher them on this end and put them into this end. All right, so got, these are in thousands, 1312, 404, 123, oops, 404, 2. Okay, so our assets have gone down since Q3. Oh, these are current assets, I'm sorry. Total assets, they've gone up substantially. Previous year's end, 771. Alrighty, total assets. There we go. Total liabilities. Okay, so our debt to asset ratio is going down. That's what we're looking for. That means we're financing more on equity now compared to financing on debt. So if the market crashes, everyone needs money. We go through just, a total recession. The debt collectors come calling and we can't pay them our debts. That's why it's important that we stay below 0.5. Makes it less risky investment. We're financing mostly off of shareholder equity, which is good for us. They're using our equity wisely. All right, 1602 935 123. That's our current assets and our current liabilities. If you're new here, current assets are going to be anything that can be liquidated in a year or less, anything that can't be liquidated in that time, such as big property, such as equipment, and get fair value for that. That's going to be included in our long-term assets, so that'll be added to our current assets to give us our total assets. Current liabilities, same deal, just the other way around. Liabilities due in a year or less. 236 005 123. There we go. That'll give us a ratio of, I'm assuming this number is going to go up, and it did. So this number is very high. It means we're super, super liquid. This is reaching that level, though, where it's okay. You need to start using our money, or yeah, you need to start using your assets better, more wisely, reinvesting in the company for further growth so that we can continue growing our shareholder equities growth. All right, total stockholder equity. Assets are always going to equal total liabilities plus shareholder equity. So our total stockholder equity, looking good. I think it's gone up. Yep, 1506 034 123. You can see that was what it was at the end of Q3. So we are growing. End of last year. This is their annual report we're doing right now, by the way. Just came out today. And this is going to be a calculation. We had gone up 482 million before. Now we're up 1.3, almost 1.4 billion. Preferred stockholder, I believe, is still 0. Let me just double check. Yep, 0. Outstanding shares we'll find later. Let's see if that number increases. It may have. This is going to be 2020 annual. Revenue, let's go to their income statement. Savvy, great to see you here. Thank you, my friend. All right, these are kind of getting blurry now. There we go. Okay, so they've got their Q3, or sorry, they got their Q4, and they've got their annual, which is great. Okay, so Q4, you can see what we did in Q3 right next to here. Revenue, we did, that doesn't make much sense. Oh, that's net revenue. They don't even give us the, well, that was net revenue also. Sorry, I'm just deciphering it now because it says that they did negative revenue. So y'all can see what I'm looking at. It's also super blurry, as you can tell. So they did negative revenue, which I don't know how they did that. That's their net. Wish we had their gross revenue. Oh well, we'll go with what we got. All right, back to the net. So apparently they did negative revenue. That was also the other day. Yesterday's was in net also. 316, 341, 123. So they're investing in a lot of growth operations. So it's not, I mean, when you're taking net revenue, that's going to be our revenue minus the expenses it takes to, acquire that revenue. There's a lot of growth happening right now for Plug. So they're going to trying to acquire new deals, new partners, all that jazz, and that would explain why their net revenue is negative 300 million. I'd be very interested to see what their gross revenue is, but we won't know until they actually publish their 10K. This is only their current report, so it's not going to be as detailed. All right, revenue plus minus. We went in the wrong way. Nothing to, be too concerned about, though. Revenue year to date, we did negative 100,469. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And previous year revenue year to date was this 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, guys, there's nothing really to be too concerned about over here with revenue. They're trying to grow. Amazon is a 30% owner of the company now. That's really great if you're a shareholder. You can feel confident this company ain't going anywhere anytime soon. But that's what you do when you try to grow and scale your company. That's why these companies go and they open up new funding rounds. They take on an IPO where they go public through SPAC is so they can get $1 billion of cash that they can reinvest in their business to grow to that next level, right? And then they have further public offerings either to raise money because they're out of money, or they raise more money so that they can grow faster. That's the name of the game here. Same way you lever up in investing. On margin typically is how people will lever up. It's just very risky, obviously. I would not recommend trading on margin. I would recommend, if you're going to use it at all, know what you're using, and do it and invest. Just don't shares or trading is too volatile for that. But you can definitely rip some money quick. Just how lucky can you get? All right. So now we're going to look at our net income or our net loss. If we have negative revenue, something tells me we're going to have a net loss. Yep. Current period net loss was 476,168. Previous year, same period. It was a loss also. But nothing to be too concerned about here again. We'll see what happens in their Q1 reports 3 months from now. So this, as you can tell, is a lot of red on there. Gotta drag all these over. So these numbers should be red also. These should be negatives. Let me just take this. There you go. And there we go. But yeah, because it was a negative over a negative, that's the first time I've ever had to use negative revenue. But there it was. Catalyst info. I don't know what kind of catalyst we have coming. I just wanted to at least look at their earnings report and just see what's going on. I'm going to put a little note here. Thoughts. There is Plug Power. Thoughts, comments, concerns, questions? Throw them in the chat. NET. Do we want to do NET or do we want to do... Let me look at NET really quick for you. Okay. Yeah, we can do Cloudflare. Let's do it. What's the deal with Cloudflare? I forget who recommended that. Was it 9? Oh, it was Bryce. Bryce, if you're in here, what's the deal with Cloudflare? Fill me in. Okay, take your time. Let's see. They did file their annual report. Very nice. I'm going to drag this over here. Same deal. Just want you guys to be able to see that. Looks like cybersecurity is their main offering, I believe. Um, okay, current as of 2/26/2021. Let's get the most recent price, which is 73.20. Then this is 71.72. It's a $22 billion company. Oh shoot, we didn't go and get plugs open shares. Give me 1 second, sorry. Oh, I don't want that. Yeah, we did have an offering in there in the fourth quarter. It looks like 425, 425, 358, 903. And boom, book value per share $3.54. We are trading 13, almost 14 times ahead of it. Gotta remember, folks, I am the only 25-year-old value investor in the world. So when I see this, I don't really want to invest because, even though I think Plug Power is not going anywhere anytime soon, uh, you know, it's very priced already. Or a lot of growth has already been priced in there. So what I should say. But I was in Plug at $4, but I was an idiot and panic sold at $8. It's alright though, we turn our L's into lessons. You said just sent a website description in your DD channel on Discord. Thank you. Stephanie Pavin, what's going on, shorty? Alright. Cloudflare. Total assets. Oh my god, they got a long page to get through. Where's our money? So you can always tell the company's really good is when you've got like 30 pages before you even get to the money. God. Just so y'all can see, I'm going to bring it back over here in a second, but I'm on page 52 and I haven't seen the money yet. Ooh. Nope. Consolidated operations. Yep. Where's just, give me the balance sheet. This is outrageous. Ooh. There we go. All right. Thank you, Ben. I'll check out Discord in 1 second. I'm sorry. Thank you, Bryce. 10889. 5 numbers are in thousands. Okay. Is that total current assets? Oh, got it. 0, 651, 123. Previous year end, we had 830, 824, 123. Our assets have gained 500 million dollars. So that's good. Good signs. Liabilities. Let's see. 563, 711. Those have increased substantially as well. Boom. Debt to asset ratio below 0.5. Pretty safe investment, I'd say. Current assets. We're definitely not insolvent. Let's go look at our liquidity. Oh, you are the man, Savvy. Thank you, my friend. I've been loving your Twitter content, by the way. I keep liking what I'm seeing. Keep it up. If y'all want to connect with me on Twitter, me and Savvy are boys on there. But I love talking to friends on Twitter. 29954 123. My link is in the description below, though. 689 872 123. So we are a nice amount of liquidity above 1.2 to 1 ratio, right in the sweet spot. So we are very liquid. Liquid enough, I should say. All right. Shareholder equity. We want to make sure it's increasing quarter after quarter, year after year. 816940123. 123. That is this year's. Last year, same time. What's that? So we have gone almost $100 million in the right direction. So we love that. All right. Preferred is $0. Awesome. This is their 2020 annual also. It's a fun time of year. Annual reports are way more fun than quarterly reports, in my opinion. I don't know how many people you hear describe them as fun, but I think they're fun. Oh, do they have their Q4? You know what? They did have Q4 above. Oops. Okay, give me 1 second. Yeah, we could look at those. If they have annual reports, let's look at those, and I'll do some SPAC hunting independently, update the sheet, and we can go over those. Okay, there we go. Quarterly results. I love that. Okay, here's our quarterly for fourth quarter. These are going to be in thousands as well. Awesome. Thank you, Bryce. I'm going to go check. Is that in my due diligence channel in the Discord? Previous year, same period, 83930,123. Get to that in a second. Let me make sure I just get these down first. Net income. We lost money. Oops. And then same period, previous year, we also lost money, but you can see we did way more in revenue. So that means our profit margin, if I had to guess, is going to be going in the right direction. Okay, now let's go back to the annual. Beautiful. I should have made a placeholder. There we go. Annual report. Year to date. 431,059. 123. Previous year. Annual was 287,022. 123. So we are making about 150 million more dollars than we did the year before. If you're a shareholder, you love to see that. Let's see what our net loss was. Yeah, look at our profit margins. This is Q4 this year, Q4 2019, 2020 annual, 2019 annual. So our profit margin is, we're still in the negative, but we are going in the right direction. Sorry, what ticker? The screen's a little blurry for me. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I looked at it on my phone the other day too, so I'll have to figure that out also. Like I said, it's the first week. We've been scrambling to get things ready over here, and we're gonna figure things out as we go along. As I figured out, is just the way it goes through the course of starting businesses and just learning stuff. Nothing ever goes perfectly the right time. So appreciate y'all, appreciate the support, appreciate the patience. We'll get things figured out. All right. So there's that. Let me look at the Discord really quick, see what Bryce sent me. This is NET Savvy. Cloudflare is the company. Oops. All right, Discord. Cloudflare is the foundation for your infrastructure applications team, secures websites, APIs. Okay. Oh, that's good. Offers speedy internet solutions while also protecting against attacks. Other big names. DoorDash. IBM. Okay. Okay, Bryce. I see you. The FBI is a Cloudflare customer. Okay, I'm gonna go add that above in a second. Let me just do this for simplicity's sake. Financial services, gaming. Let's see, anything else in here? Hmm. Actually, I use Cloudflare. I don't know why I was unfamiliar with them. I use Cloudflare to protect my website, keep the bots. There's a lot of bots on the internet that just crawl and they just get your contact info and just solicit you. So it sucks. But I'll put myself on here. Grow Saloon, noteworthy customer. The FBI. Wow, we are an elite company. Wow. All right, let's see how many shares they got outstanding, and then let's go see what the book value tells us. Now, I don't want y'all to believe that I make all my investing decisions strictly off of book value, right? Or, ratios and whatnot. These are just kind of gauges that I'll use to gauge my interest in a company, see how healthy they are, see what's been priced in already. But I do definitely make exceptions. And the numbers are just strictly the fundamentals, and they gauge my interest for looking further, or information like Bryce just shared that gets me to investigate a little bit further also. Actually, let me go check out their quarterlies. This is a weighted average of shares. Oh, okay, they didn't include it in there. No biggie. All right, there's NET. Awesome look. Awesome look, Bryce. Let me go look at what's next. I'm not gonna like the book value. I might. Yikes. Yeah, they're trading for 73. So I mean, essentially all you're doing is you're paying a premium, folks. But I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. With how prominent they are, cybersecurity is only going to continue getting bigger and bigger because of the internet. As more people get online and more businesses get online, you need cybersecurity to protect your information, your clients' information, pretty much anything. All right. NET, which other ones did you say? You said RKT and TTCF. All right, let me put that on here. We might only get to one of them. I'm not sure what companies they are. Oh, that's Tattooed Chef. Okay. Y'all message me on Discord as you see earnings come out that you want to look at right away and understand them, or make better sense of them, I guess. Bring them up to me, and I'll definitely take a look at them. This is a great time of the year. Earnings reports are fun. Annual reports are more fun. Okay, we'll do rocket companies first. Amelia, what is going on, Shorty? How you doing? Okay, so I don't see Annual report on their website. Let me look at the SEC reports. Cosmo. All right, so their 10K is on the website. Let's see if the 8K has anything for Rocket. Okay, so they do have their balance sheet on here, so we can do it. All right, this is in thousands. We'll add 3 zeros at the end of all the numbers. Let's see, Rocket companies. What is their sector? Okay, holdings company. I love the Avi. Pretty decent market cap. They've got a lot of shares in the pool. Let's see what their assets look like. Assets have gone 17 milli in the right direction. We love that. May have had an offering though. That could be why. Sorry, 17 billy in the right direction. All right, liabilities have gone up as well, but you expect that. We got a pretty hefty debt ratio over here, so that's something to keep an eye on. Just meaning if anything above 0.5, it means they're financing operations more on debt than they are on our shareholder equity. So it's a little bit riskier. But they're not insolvent, so they got enough assets to cover all this. All right, where are our current assets? I'm going to add up their current assets later. I'm going to find their current ratio and how liquid they are, because they don't have it just on here. I'm sure they will on their actual 10K, but this is just an 8K current report. They'll release the 10K in the coming days, probably. All right. Total equity. Has gone up substantially. It's almost doubled in the year. More than doubled. This is RKT savvy. This is probably the last one we have a chance to get to, I believe, because TC's about to pop in here. He's got a TSMP stream coming up. So short stream today. We should be back on the normal stream schedule next week now that things are, more set up than they were a week ago. But wanted to pop in here for at least an hour or so. Yeah, they had earnings last night. Plug was the same deal. It might just take them maybe it'll come out later today, or it'll come out over the weekend or beginning of next week. Their 10K. This is what they did publish in the meantime, though, because 10Ks are like 100 pages long. It's a year of reports. Let's see, revenue. Beautiful. Revenue was 4699. This is in millions. Oh, sorry. 4775, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Year to date, full year, 16,938. Revenue has gone up substantially in the past year. Mortgage business has been busier than ever this past year, just because of interest rates being so low. It just makes sense to take out a mortgage, so people are taking out mortgages right now. Adjusted net income. Previous year. So we are way up over there. Very profitable. I don't know what the profit margins are going to look like. All in the green. This was Q4 annual. Q4 47%. So they hold pretty consistent. But we're going in definitely the right direction. We're making almost 50 cents on every single dollar that we bring in revenue for the company. So that's, fucking fantastic. They are #1 for customer satisfaction, have a premium software option that had 15 million sign up in 3 months. Okay. I'm going to make note of that. Let's see, you said they... Be interested to learn more about that dividend, Savvy. Special dividend. $2021. Let me just do this. Notes. So I expect them to continue going up in price because of that alone. Okay, fix that. Currently 40% shorted. Okay. Something to keep an eye on. Thank you, Savvy. I appreciate all that info, my friend. If you see their 10K get released anytime soon, let me know so I can just update these numbers accordingly if necessary. I don't think I'm going to need to, but, you know, I just want to double check. Shares outstanding, these are going to be... as is, okay. $1,988,715,273. And that brings our totals to... Yeah, the book values are never friendly here. But the book value doesn't add up for a lot of companies right now. A lot of companies are being traded on speculation and future growth, and the market's just booming right now, so that's understandable. Let me hit up TC and see where he's at. All right. Just talked to the man himself, Mr. TC. Told him the dollar store TC was hitting him up. He is about to be here any second now, so I'm gonna log off. I'm gonna go do Tattooed Chef independently. But yeah, ask me questions in the Discord. Socials are down below. Appreciate y'all so much for being in here. We'll be back on normal streaming schedule starting next week on Monday. So, get ready. I think 10:30 is when I'm gonna start to try to go to go live. And yeah, only up from here. But yeah, appreciate y'all again. Pop over to TC stream. He's got people waiting in the lobby already. TSMP, something's going on with them. I'm not sure. But again, thank you all for being here. If you haven't already, please like the video. Smash that subscribe button. Ring the little bell next to it so you can get notified every time I go live, every time I drop new videos, and I'm making money, which is every single day the stock market's open. You know the routine. With that being said, good luck to y'all rest of the day. I will talk to you in the Discord. Have a great rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend. God bless, and I will see y'all next week.